Hello again, this is Captain John with another one of my video tips of the week. In today's video tip, we're going to take a look at natural ranges, also called transits, that will help you stay on course, day or night, in wind or current. Look at the landscape ahead and choose two objects that will help you maintain course. Here you see a church steeple and a distant mountain peak. As long as we keep those two objects in line, we will maintain our course. Heading does not matter. We are close hauled on port tack, but our bow does not point toward the two objects. As long as we keep those two objects in line, we will maintain our course. Now let's take a look at what happens when the two objects split apart and the action to take to regain course. If the two objects split apart, this means you are off range or transit. You want to turn and steer toward the closer object. In this illustration, our church steeple, the closer object, has split to the right, so we sail to the right until we regain range. In this illustration, our church steeple has split to the left, so we sail to the left until once again we regain range. Use these easy sailing navigation tips to keep your small sailboat in safe water and your crew safe and sound. This is Captain John, and this has been another one of my video tips of the week. Find more sailing tips and techniques on www.skippertips.com.